Anthony's Cross Thread Garage. Doing a little Mr. Rogers. Enter the room. I ain't changed my shoes or nothing like that. Mock-up's done. As far as all the major mock-up stuff is done, everything's in its place. The front end's been fixed. The front end's actually bolted tight. And then I greased it. Good. So now this sequence of videos is going to be assembly and disassemble, or assemble or disassemble, disassemble. Between the clutch fluid, the brakes, the engine, the headers, the exhaust. Finish up the steering. Interior work, body work, fenders and hoods. I don't know, we'll get this done in a 3-part. Also, my garage is supposed to be coming here soon, so it's going to entail and start a whole nother project as far as getting the garage done. But I need to get these headers. I'm planning on tackling this, and we'll go ahead and get the headers right. Get the motor out. I gotta put the clutch in, the new slave cylinder in it, and we'll get started on that at least today. And also, while the motor's out, I need to finalize the steering system. Also need to weld motor mounts. I probably should just make a list. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna make a list. Need one. So I've made myself a list. It's a small list. To get this motor out, it's gonna be the first priority. Take this fuel pump off. It's in the way of this motor right anyhow. Oh, come on, let's save this gasket. Alright. Push right out of there too. Now the main reason I'm going to go ahead and put this block off plate on here, so I can cross something off my list. Yay! Looks like hell, but you know what we get to do?
Yeah,
To cross something off the list. Oh man, making moves.
yeah, yeah. Hey, bro!
Bro.
What's up, dude?
Got them separated.
We're going to smash the Barbies.
Real quick, we ain't smashing the Barbies.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
No,
Smash it now.
No.
Yes. Show this to Rosie camera. It's really funny. I'm going to smash the Barbies.
Don't listen to Dom.
Wait
Alright,
till
well.
me, camera.
Looks like first I need to find some bolts to put in my flywheel here.
No, we're smashing her Barbies.
We're not smashing the Barbies.
We're smashing one.
Where are they? We'll tell her. Leave it there. I'll smash one.
Yes, smash one. Smash one, smash one, smash one. Smash. This smash one, okay, Dad? She has 1,000,000 Barbies, so we need to take a Barbie away from her
That's not nice.
and break it.
That's not nice.
Well, you have to. That's the only thing that will make
Make what?
we don't have that many Barbies. And not make Rosie scream a lot.
I don't think these bolts are long enough. These are what came with it. But they ain't long enough.
There's so much.
Yeah, this thing barely grabbed me through it. I don't like that. Well, these here definitely ain't too long.
Oh, not right.
I'm gonna use these ones I've had for a lifetime. Loctite them.
Why?
Oh yeah, decent Mayflower. All right, quick Google search says 63 or 60 foot-pounds.
I think I know what. Hi.
All right, I'm gonna try to torque it with this wobble saw because I don't get another 12 point. I think we're good.
7, 8, 9.
Yeah, solid bearing here.
11.
Make sure I put it in the right way because this side's all tapered. This side is, that'd be a bitch to get in.
Stop.
Alright, put a little bit of lube on there. Here's the other set style bearing before I put that solid one in, but this is for a newer style motor. Right now I'm just gonna try to get it started before I get the right adapter on here. Alright. I need a real hammer.
How do you get these out?
I got my hammer. Installed. Put some grease in there before I forget. Clean off all the oil off the face of the flywheel so the clutch has a good maiden surface. Are you done?
Yeah.
Alrighty, thank you.
Yay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There's my friend Mr. Loctite. Alright, the alignment tool feels good. Start tightening them up. Alright, I'm paying attention to the tape. Kids had a dance party. Alright, that's all put together. I was going to go with the center hydraulic clutch, but it won't work on this T50 transmission. So I got to back up and punt on that. Not sure what I'm going to do there. Forget probably external slave cylinder, I would think. So now we'll just go ahead and jump over here and get these motor mounts welded all the way in.
We're gonna pretend fix the car.
So yeah,
You're gonna need a wrench.
we're gonna need.
You're gonna have to poke it through the hole and just twist, and then just twist around until you stop. Once you stop, try not to struggle to keep going. You do it again and again.
this.
Don't shush. Now we're gonna be talking about the basics. We're gonna be repairing that somehow.
Oh, this is stable. Not stable, roughly.
First, you're gonna look at it. Take a look.
Ooh.
Ugh. See the damages. Make sure it's not fully gonna come off. So
Alright, I got a different, trying to do something different here with this transmission since the center hydraulic won't work. We got a traditional fork here. Throw out bearing that came with the clutch.
I'm gonna take it. Look at empty crossover.
And an external slave cylinder. I'm gonna have to figure out how to mount it up somehow. Also, I got a pivot pin I got to put in. So, start getting this thing assembled here and see if I can figure out how to make a bracket.
Are you done? Now that will be dirty.
Because it is.
That sounds dirty.
There, knock some debris out. Huh?
It'll break it that way.
They can break. Yeah.
But how can metal break?
That's cast aluminum. It's not very strong.
Say again?
Nah.
Well, everybody knows the saw can break
It is and it isn't.
Everybody knows the saw can
Alright,
break it.
let's try to put this in again.
Yeah. This one, that other one,
There, that's installed.
because see,
Bel's back on. Bushings in it. Alright, got greased up. Get the pivot pin put in, the new one.
You guys shouldn't trust Dad and watch his videos, cause he farts too. Yay!
I made a bracket there quickly yesterday. Didn't film any of it. It's just tracing and cutting and grinding and a little bit of welding and some paint.
I can't believe Dad
But
didn't
this-
even make a video.
This is going to hold my bracket. I'll go ahead and assemble it here so you guys can see what's going on. Let's see. Send her home here, see what happens. Bolts up against the block a little bit, but it'll be alright. They can wear in there a little bit. You see all that? Yep.
Mom
So this is
said-
an external slave cylinder, homemade bracket.
Mom
Put
said
in there.
something.
That's made. I need to go over here and cut out the frame before I set this back down in. Get ready to start bending these headers. Go ahead and put that in there. Alright, we had our headers in here. They were hit here. And these members down here, I need to cut them out. This right here is the body mount. It's pretty thick.
And welcome to the end.
Oh. That's not even tight.
I think
That's
I'm decked to do that.
I'm not sure why this body mount's loose. I never loosened it.
Dad, when are you gonna be done grinding?
I think I'm done grinding for right now. There, I got those two pieces cut out. Ready to put this motor back down in. And bolt it up tight. Well, she's put back in again. Slave cylinder. Sure. Clutch is in. I get to mark some stuff off. Some of these other lists though, pretty big. Or one line's pretty big. I always get this cross member under it, and I guess we'll start with the left hand header. Got these Chinese headers. They're pretty decent stainless steel. Let's hit with a hammer there and it didn't do much for anything. So we can give her some heat. Woo! Bro, this ain't cool. Alright, go, go, go. Don't look at me. There you go.
There we go.
That was a better one.
Can I see it?
There you go.
That was a good one.
Yep.
Let's see it.
Standing up. Now hit the brakes.